how it's placed on it.
That one has no smell.
Turn off the gas. Turn off the gas.
Oh, yeah. Wait, Grace, the gas is on. Okay, now it's off. Watch out.
No! That's
I didn't know!
Kyra! Get the fuck out! Go, go, go!
No, don't face it towards the wood. What are you doing?
She told us to!
Move it back. We're not going to do it.
Who cares? Then I won't be able to do it.
No, Grace, no. Move it back. Move it back.
I can't move it back anymore. I don't know. Raise the gas.
Which way?
You can't raise it.
Yeah.
Raise on the bottom.
I don't want to do that. I have it in biotech.
Yeah.
Bad experience. Higher raise it. Stop.
Okay, how are you going to turn off the thing, though?
Don't face it towards me.
Okay, make sure it's
I want to keep my face.
before you guys play the gummy bear, make sure
Turn off
it's
the gas.
yeah.
How long does it
Really quickly.
What we do in Chem Club. Oh.
Oh my god.
Really? Is there a fire truck? Is there a fire truck?
Is this on tape?
Yeah. Now they're playing with our emotions.
Come on. Keep on. Stop,
Everything's safe, dude.
Alistair, when the time comes, turn off the gas. I can't even like see the fire. Wait. Oh my god, I'm not.
Stop up. Ready?
No.
Wait, are you gonna? Do you turn off the flame?
Yeah, but
Are we supposed to turn off the flame?
right?
Wait, let's ask him to step and do it one last time.
No, we're gonna do it.
See what happens when we get together for lab, Grace? The fire line goes
How
off.
do you guys have to do it in the fume hood?
No, I know.
She said anything in the hood.
Dang it.
Oh, yeah.
Careful. Ow. How do we...
Wait, is there something gonna light on fire in there?
Where's the
It's
Bunsen
electric.
burner?
Stuff wasn't coming out when we did ours, so
Neither.
stuff was like coming out like fire. So they didn't
You guys ready? I'm really nervous. Is this gonna even
No.
drop?
Yeah, it will. It just gotta kind of like put it against the.
I'm gonna want to use the orange one.
Hurry up. I know.
Is it melting?
Yeah.
It's not
melting,
pure
but it's...
yet.
What happens if we put it in?
Oh my god, we're gonna die.
No, I already did it. I dropped it in. It's not that bad.
What if my hand goes on fire?
It won't.
Do you have a fire extinguisher?
You
It's a fire blanket.
cut off the sticky wire.
God. Fire blanket?
It's about that. Okay.
I'm so nervous. Alright. Wait, not yet.
I know.
Seriously, if I die, tell my parents I love them.
So dramatic.
That's great.
Now?
No, it's not done yet.
It's melted. It might as well.
You take zoom in.
Can I just go now?
I don't know how to zoom in.
Grace? Turning off
I
Grace and
don't
turning
know.
off the gas.
Alright,
Okay.
please.
Now we go. That's super cool.
It's spring stuff. I'm kind of scared.
You can see the gummy bear moving around at the bottom. The damn thing. And then that thing melts.
Ha ha ha. That's so cool.
It's gonna shower him. No.
What? No, it won't.
No, it won't.
That was so funny. We set the fire alarm on.
There's 2 gummy bears in there. That'd be insane.
It'd be like bang bang.
Bang, bang.
What are you doing? And it's not gonna work again.
They're not.
I told you.
Dang.
Be careful.
Yeah, we're finished.
Woo!
If it gets hot enough.